the Shark Cordless Clean and Empty Auto Empty System. The Auto Empty System is always ready, always charged, always empty and ready for the next clean. The redesigned base seals fine dust and debris after every clean with an auto-adjusting brush roll. Clean with convenience and power on any surface. To get started, unbox the units and place the nozzle and parts on a flat surface. To assemble the vacuum, connect the wand to the nozzle. Then, connect the hand vac to the wand. To assemble the Auto Empty dock, make sure the dock is facing upright. Slide the charging post into the slot on the front of the dock until it clicks. Once assembled, plug the power cord into a wall outlet. Next, remove the sticker from the hand vacuum's digital screen. The battery will arrive charged to 30%, so you'll want to charge it to 100% before your first use. To charge the vacuum, place it on the dock in a downward motion. The battery indicator will pulse white when charging is complete. Once the battery is fully charged, the vacuum is ready for use. Turn on the unit by pressing the power button on the bottom of the LED screen. The LED screen shows battery level and mode type. Next to the power button is the mode selection button, which allows you to cycle through Eco, Auto, and Boost. When you first turn your unit on, the default setting of Auto mode will auto-adjust the brush roll to optimize power on any surface. To maximize runtime, press the mode selection button to go into Eco mode. If you want maximum power, press the mode button again to go into Boost mode. Once properly attached, the auto evacuation process will begin, lasting 10 seconds. The Auto Empty system has quiet mode capability, which provides the option to dock and charge your vacuum silently and leave the emptying for later. To resume auto emptying, press the quiet mode button again. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.